Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is the chapter 2 tutorial for the CCNA 1. So the chapter 2 is entitled the Configure a Network Operating System. So the chapter 2 is all about the Cisco IOS is a term that encompasses a number of different operating systems which runs on various networking devices. The technician can enter commands to configure or program the device to perform various networking functions. Cisco IOS routers and switches perform functions that network professionals depend upon to make their networks operate as expected. The services provided by the Cisco IOS are accessed using a command interface or the CLI, which is accessed by either the console port, the AUX port, or through SSH or Telnet. After connected to the CLI, network technicians can make configuration changes to Cisco iOS devices. The Cisco iOS is designed as a modal operating system, which means a network technician must navigate through various hierarchical modes of the iOS. Each mode supports different iOS commands. Cisco iOS routers and switches supports a familiar modal operating system, support similar command structures, and support many of the same commands. In addition, both devices have identical initial configuration steps when implementing them in a network. So this chapter is all about introduce the Cisco iOS. It detailed some various model of the Cisco iOS and examine some basic command structure that is used to configure. So it is also walked through the initial settings of the Cisco iOS in the switch device, including setting a name, limiting a access to the device, configuration, configuring banner messages, and saving the configuration. So now let's go to the activity for this chapter 2. So this is the first activity, the entitled access methods. And so this is the instructions. Select the most appropriate access method for each scenario. So for this chapter, we have three, the console, the telnet, SSH, and the AUX. You are in the equipment room with a new switch that needs to be configured. It's console. Your manager gives you a special cable and tells you to use it to configure the switch. Console again. You access the iOS by using another intermediary device over a network connection. You call your manager to tell him you cannot access your router in another city over the internet. He provides you with the information to access the router through a telephone connection. This is the AUX. So let's check if it is correct. Give the correct answer. So you must see the some results in this activity. So let's configure the host names. So you must type. Let's put the let's configure now. You have successfully configured the switch hostname. So that's so easy. We'll configure the passwords. See that. Encrypt passwords. So we have successfully encrypted the the plain text password. Yeah. Yeah. So encrypt all passwords, secure the privilege, execute that, secure the console line. Yeah, we have successfully limited access to switch. Syntax check or configuring a switch virtual interface. Configure switch virtual. Enter interface VLAN 1 daw sa. We have we enter the interface VLAN 1 and the second we enter the IP address the 192.168.10.2 the 255.255.255.0 the no shut we type the no shutdown that. So we have successfully configured the switch virtual interface for VLAN 1. So the end-to-end connectivity test. Let's play this video. So this so that's all for chapter 2. Thank you for watching my video. Please like and subscribe my channel. That's all.